Guys, welcome back to my channel. So happy birthday to me. It is December 31st. I am officially 25. I don't know if you guys can see the 25 up there, but so yeah, so for the most part I definitely got everything on my birthday wish list. I didn't show you guys, but yes, I did. My family did actually purchase some things on my birthday wish list, and I actually got my Apple Watch band on my own. I know I said I wanted silver, but I got gold. But anyway, let's get into this. I'm gonna do a get ready with me. It's quarantine style. You know, I'm not going anywhere, but I decided not to wear a wig today because it just didn't feel like popping on the wig and doing all the extra. I just did my edges, and then I did these twists. I think I put these in on Tuesday because I had to re-moisturize my hair because it was feeling like really dry. I had like chunky flat twists because I was like wearing wigs. But anyway, so I'm gonna get straight into it. I want to try some of the new products that I got from Beauty Insider. So I'm gonna try the primer first from the primer sample. So I'm gonna start with that. I should actually clean my hands before I put this on my face. So ask me why I'm up this early. I think I've been up since like 7:45 or something. But yes, I'm going to be using the Makeup Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm trying to see if they said any instructions on here. Okay, basically it says just to apply it and give it 1 minute to absorb. So, oh, by the way, this is what I'm talking about. It's like a clear consistency. I actually always do not remember to wear makeup. Remember to wear a primer. It's like when I remember, then I do it. But normally I would forget. But I know that primer is definitely good for you to try. For you to use. I can't see. If you do know, I'm blind. I wear glasses, so I need my mirror. It a minute to fully like absorb. I'm gonna actually get my stuff ready for me to do my eyebrows. It's been a minute, like I said. The last time I did my makeup was I think in June, and we've been quarantined since like what, March I think. At least I've been in quarantine. I've been out, but very seldom. I've been in my house all the time. Like I always do. I will leave everything in the description box. I'm gonna try to speed up most of this video. I don't want to make it super long. I feel like a makeup look always takes me long. It'll be like a 15-minute video, even editing out parts and stuff. So I forgot to mention the eyebrow product I'm using. I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in 382 Black Brown. Once again, I'm putting everything in the description box if anyone's interested in trying any other products.
The stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people trying to bring you down. Oh, never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right.
Okay, next I'm going with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and in the color Toast. Next I'm going with my Sephora 10-Hour Foundation, and this color is in Fonce Deep, which is the number 57.
Sometimes all I can do is cry. Close my eyes, raise my my hands, do a dance for you. Praise you, it's true to the one.
If you're still watching, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button and the notification button.
For all you done for me, for how you love me. Thank you, how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. Just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind lately. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through?
Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the 16-hour, and this is in the color Rich Chocolate.
What do you do when you're going through? I'm gonna dance like they, yeah. Have faith like Abraham. Prophesy like Jeremiah. Pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David, yeah. Have faith like Abraham. Prophesy like Jeremiah. Pray just like Elijah. Mind don't matter, it don't matter. So do you mind if I just give you all the praise I have inside? Never mind to the things going on right now. I just wanna say hallelujah, hallelujah.
Now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, mini palette. And I'm going to be using the color Bori. I'm sorry, not Bori, Ada. And lastly, the other color I'm going to be using is Casablanca.
Mind all the stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people trying to bring you down. Or never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's time to thank him. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going
Makeup Kush mascara that I got from for the birthday gift as well.
through? I'm gonna dance like David. Have faith like Abraham. Prophesy like Jeremiah. Pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David. Have faith like Abraham. Prophesy like Jeremiah. Pray just like Elijah.
And for my highlighter, I am using the Sephora Golden Hour highlighter.
Sometimes all I can do is cry.
This is always a tricky part for me.
Close my eyes, raise my hands, do a dance for you. Praise you, it's true to the one it belongs to. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love me. Thank you, how you care for me. You always there for me.
Just mess up my makeup when it comes to the highlighter step. Always. Anyway. So lastly, I'm trying to figure out what lip color I want to use. I forgot I bought this lip color. One scheme going on, as you can see. I'm going to use the Cake Shake. anyway, this is the final look. Make sure you like, you comment, subscribe, you hit the notification bell. Hopefully you guys have a good new year. By the time this drops, it will be past New Year. I don't remember if I told you guys that in the video that's dropping tomorrow, so I'm saying it again just in case. And hopefully 2021 has good things in store for us. Bye.